This isn't quite the adventure I was hoping for. As it happens, maybe it gets a little more. Okay, nope. 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 This isn't gonna be a happy Tomb Raider. This is gonna be a gritty reboot. Oh golly. Oh dear golly gosh. Alright, so what do we
Help!
Oh, okay, I guess I'm in control now. Whee!
Help!
Yeah, shouting really loudly while you're tied upside down in a creepy, culty place. Oh, I don't want to quite be. Oh, shit on me. Shit on me. Shit on me.
This is gonna hurt.
Yeah. Oh, you poor thing, Laura. You probably are gonna catch on fire. Yeah. Was I supposed to do? Yep, okay. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh dear. Oh, this is adventure. Okay, Laura Croft is, oh, I guess, okay, alright, I guess, oh my. Oh dear. Okay. This is really gritty, really fast. I don't know how to feel about this. I don't know. I guess we'll just walk down the dock.
Oh god. No.
Oh, shit on me hard.
What is this place?
I'm sure she was a brave lady, and she.
What happened to you?
All the, something moved. Something made a sound. Oh shit. Okay. Alright, maybe if I hide in the shadows, or can I...
Don't.
Oh, I guess that might come in handy. I don't know how much light I want to cast. Oh, I guess I can light things on fire. Oh, well, that's actually pretty... That was a fast fire! I don't like this fire! Fire, go away, go away. Oh, it went away. Shit. It's a pretty cool torch. Can do a lot. Alright. Let's go through the ominous oven. Yeah, just possibly.
Damn it.
Left bumper to exact. Okay. Alright. I guess. Oh, she's a good. Oh, be a little louder, Laura. Try. Oh, okay. Oh. I see what we have to do here. Alright, puzzle solving at its first. Shit on me. Come on. Okay. Oh god, it's gonna explode. It's gonna fucking explode. Oh god, I don't like how this is turning out. Okay. Oh god. Alright, okay. This is, a little bit more than the adventure that I'm used to. As a brave and dandy fellow of the rough and tumble era oh, I'm not claustrophobic, I'm I'm fucking terrified though. I'm struggling, I'm gonna struggle, fuck you. Okay. Oh,
Shit, that was close.
dear god. Alright, I'm not fond of anything going on. Hello? Okay. I'm not fond of any of this. I do not approve. Stern playerly disapproval. Oh. I don't know what's going on here, but I guess, it's a really... Why are there skulls everywhere? How did skulls get here and soda? I don't quite understand. Pretty sure that wood would be on fire by now. Laura's not very good at being sneaky, but I guess she was just on a boat and then got tied upside down, so not real enough time to be sneaky at this point.
Time. inside. Need to find a way out.
Are there people here that I have to sneak around? Because I don't really, this is really good. Okay. Alright, Scavenger's Den. It does not sound like a place where I would be
What kind of
brutally
contraption is this?
attacked. Okay. Alright. What if I light some of this on? Okay, let's light this on fire first. Let's try that. Alright. And then that goes loose, and then I guess... I don't know if I should have done that or not, but roll with it. Okay. Ah, so, alright, so those...
All this stuff's washing in with the tide.
Holding that down, so if I light these on fire and they catch other things on fire, then all those things that are on fire will catch on fire. It's a lot of fun. I'm not quite sure how they're not on fire due to all the you know, water and everything, but I guess we'll just let that go for the moment. What is this all supposed to do exactly? I'm still not entirely certain on what the point is, but I guess we'll just keep exploring and hit. Some more fire. That's not fire. Why? What? Oh, alrighty. Hopefully, dokely. Okay. What is this? Can I jump onto it? Oh, I can. Ah, yes. Oh, it was a bucket. Oh, that's clever. Oh, this is a cool scavenger's den. I like these people. Oh, she's still got a hole in her chest. Oh, she's still got a hole through her liver. How is she alive? I'm pretty sure she's still bleeding too. Oh, you got your shoulders burned now. Oh, I guess that's not one of the major concerns. And, boom. How did she get there? How did she...
Gotta get out of here.
Oh, gotta go fast! Sonic! Sonic! Sonic, gotta go fast! Gotta go fucking quickly! Oh, dear me. Okay, come on. Kick your blue heels. Not that way. Don't kick your heels that way. This is not Green Hill Zone. Repeat, this is not fucking Green Hill Zone! Oh, Professor Robotnik, save me, Shadow the Hedgehog! Okay, alright, don't need saving, just keep going. Just keep moving. Apparently, the world does not want her dead. Much. Okay, she pretty much wants her dead in every way possible. Oh dear, frick, buggering, Christ nuggets. Oh shit. No, 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 no. Ding dong, you are wrong. Oh, I guess I'm wrong. No. That wasn't that. Oh, shit. I really hope that autosave was, like, not a long time ago. Because if I have to go much farther than where I just went, my pants are not going to be clean. I guess it wasn't. Okay. No. No. Fuck you, you little fucking freak bag nugget face. Damn straight. Oh, I hated that man. I didn't even know who the fuck he was, but I don't like his guts. Oh shit. Oh fuck me. Oh, my torch. I love that torch. Alright, quick time event central. All up in this place, but it's pretty exciting, so I guess it's done well. Oh dear fucking Christ. No, 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 climb, Laura, climb, climb. Climb the fuck up this hill. Climb. You shouldn't have made all those explosions. It was probably a really broad idea. Okay, that scared the fuck out of me. I do not think my short pants are going to survive this journey through hell and back. Okay, pants survived. Mostly. Dear God, where did all that blood come from? Probably her. I hope that's not dirt. I hope that is dirt, actually. Oh God.